Hi, it's Alex with the Panatrack Solution Consulting team, and today we're going to review the Panatrack Transfer Request transaction available as part of the Directed Transfer Infrastructure on PanatrackerGP. The Panatrack Directed Transfer Infrastructure has been designed to enable the easiest possible movement of inventory between site or bin locations. With the capability to provide request transactions, transfer picks, and the receipt of inbound transfers directly on the Panatrack scanners. This is the first video in a three-part series that reviews the directed transfer transactions. Focusing on the ability to initiate a transfer manually from the Panatrack scanner, the transfer request transaction is designed to make the capture of items required for restock as easy as possible. This transaction allows a user to select both the source and destination site locations for the requested transfer. Additionally, Panatrack can be configured in several ways to support restock calculations, including Kanban, min-max quantities, and user entry. Panatrack also supports reason codes as part of the transfer request transaction. For users who need automated directed transfer infrastructure, this can be configured within the Panatrack system using a variety of methods. The Panatrack transfer request transaction begins with the user selecting the requested from site and then the transfer to site. This can be done through a barcode scan or through the Panatrack lookup list. When the lookup list is accessed, the user does have availability to the type ahead filtering, allowing them to narrow down the locations. Once the sites have been entered, our users can begin to scan the items that are requested. A user can walk up to a shelf and scan the barcode on an item, and enter in the restock quantity. Of course, other options for calculating the restock quantities are available within the Panatrack ecosystem, depending on what fits your team's needs best. As a user moves through and begins scanning the items, those are added to the inventory transfer request and will be made available to pick for our next transaction. The review screen shows the user all of the items that have been added. And if upon looking at this, the user decides another item is required, they can press back and simply scan the next item that they are requesting. Once that's been done and the review screen presents the user with everything that is needed, they can hit submit and the Panatrack request transaction has been submitted for approval in the Panatrack system. Once a transfer request is created from the scanner, the data will be populated within the Panatrack directed transfer tables with the status of new. All information on transfer order, both before and after it has been picked, is available in the Panatrack portal. Once this order is released, it is available to be picked as part of the directed transfer pick transaction, which will be reviewed in our upcoming video. With the ability to capture and confirm items and quantities in real time on the Panatrack scanner, along with real-time communication with Dynamics GP, the transfer of inventory has never been easier for Dynamics GP users. The directed transfer infrastructure supports item site transfers and bin moves, ensuring that every time inventory movement needs to be tracked, it can be managed easily and effectively without the need to duplicate databases or employee efforts. We look forward to helping your team improve your overall inventory management. Please contact us by email, phone, or the Contact Us form on our website, www.panatrack.com.